They've got a garden. So this is a little bit on the mad side. Whew, it's hot in this corridor. Been a long day travelling. Am I glad to be here? Cool cushion, a really cool cushion. So the battery just died on the last one. It had been going all day, so it done well. That kind of like loud fan noise is the aircon. I'm not going to turn it off because it's just, I've been in a hot plane and a very hot taxi for the last like 9-10 hours. So I'm currently cooling off. And I'm in New York. Oh, it's good to be back. Just coming through like on the cab and just hearing the whoop 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 with the different sirens and just the sounds of the city and the smells and yeah, that's what I've missed. So super stoked to be back. A little tour of the place. I've usually got like desk, fridge where the aircon is, a whole bed to myself, TV that I can cast to from my phone or from my laptop as well, and then the bathroom, and yeah, just it is what it is. Started moving a few bits in already because I'm going to be here for 2 weeks, so just gonna kind of like spread out and chill. Got a massive shower. Oh, it's a rain shower as well. It's gonna be nice. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The plus side features to a lot of this is internet wireless is all in the package. Yeah, and what makes this even better is I'm actually in Hell's Kitchen, so I'm way up into the actual like central New York this time. Whereas last time over Christmas I was in Tribeca, and I kind of explored all of that area. It's easy for me to get across to Brooklyn and Brooklyn Bridge. So that's why I'm here again now, is to explore more of like the West and the East and Central and live the New York life, which is awesome. This is unreal. But definitely first day of traveling, touchdown. This is going to be epic. This is going to be good. New York, New York. So I figured, yeah, I need to get out, have a proper walk, make the most of the day instead of falling asleep early and then waking up at a random time tomorrow. Getting back into the use, like holding this massive thing, because I've been using my little camera, my mirrorless, for the last couple of weeks, and a bit out of touch of holding this monstrosity of a rig, but we'll get there, we'll get there. It's fun being back on the DSLR actually. It feels a lot better mechanically, so we'll see. Now that was probably one of the most surreal things I've watched, seeing that close to a helicopter as it takes off. I've got the High Line next to me. I figured I would jump on and just have a walk down to Chelsea, see what's going on, and then I'm just having a bit of a stroll, so I'm a bit of a walk, see where's what, and it's quite crazy because these huge buildings I'm walking up to now was like really as far as I got in terms of like the last time I was here at Christmas, because I was so far south. So it's cool to be based this side of town, really. You know, as you do, got to spare a couple of million to buy a Lamborghini, why not?